Ever wondered how Siri understands your commands or how your email filters spam? The answer lies within the realms of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, commonly known as AI, is a fascinating field that's transforming the world as we know it. It's the science of equipping machines with the ability to mimic human intelligence. But it's not just about machines. It's about how these machines can learn, problem solve, and even understand human language. Over the course of this video, we'll delve into the definitions, types, and applications of AI. From the everyday tools that simplify our lives to the ethical considerations we must grapple with, we'll uncover the various facets of AI. We'll also peer into the future, exploring the emerging trends that are shaping the AI landscape. So buckle up and prepare to embark on a fascinating journey into the world of AI. When we talk about AI, we are referring to machines that mimic human intelligence. But what does that really mean? It's essentially the science of creating machines capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. This can range from problem solving and learning to decision making. But here's the kicker: not all AI is created equal. There's narrow AI, which are systems designed to perform specific tasks, like the voice assistant on your phone. These systems are great at what they do, but they're not exactly generalists. And then there's general AI. Now, this is the lofty goal of creating machines that possess human-like intelligence across diverse domains. Imagine a machine that can understand, learn, and apply knowledge as a human would across any field. As we can see, AI is not a one-size-fits-all concept, but rather a diverse field with varying levels of sophistication. At the heart of AI, we find machine learning and deep learning. These are not just fancy buzzwords thrown around in tech conversations. They are the core technologies that make AI tick. Machine learning, or ML, is a subset of AI that uses statistical techniques to give computers the ability to learn from data. It's like teaching a child to recognize animals. You show them pictures of cats and dogs, and over time, they learn to distinguish between the two. Similarly, machine learning algorithms use data to learn and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. Deep learning, on the other hand, is a subset of machine learning inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, specifically using something called artificial neural networks. Picture a team of detectives analyzing a crime scene. Each detective focuses on a specific aspect: fingerprints, DNA evidence, footprints, and so on. Together, their combined analysis creates a comprehensive understanding of the crime scene. Similarly, individual nodes in a neural network each process a small piece of information, and the combined output helps make sense of complex data. While machine learning can handle straightforward tasks, deep learning shines when dealing with vast amounts of unstructured data. It can identify patterns and trends that are too complex or too large for a human mind to grasp, opening up possibilities to tackle problems we once thought were impossible to solve. Machine learning and deep learning are like the left and right hand of AI. They work in tandem, each bringing their unique strengths to create systems that can understand, learn, predict, and potentially even function like a human brain. These technologies are the building blocks that make AI so powerful and versatile. They represent the future of technology, driving innovations that will change our world in ways we are just beginning to understand. AI is not just theory, it's transforming industries and our daily lives. The magic of artificial intelligence is evident in various sectors. In healthcare, AI-powered systems help doctors diagnose diseases, predict patient outcomes, and personalize treatments. In finance, AI algorithms are used to detect fraudulent transactions, manage investments, and automate customer service. We see AI's footprint in education as well, where personalized learning systems adapt to each student's pace, enhancing their learning experience. Even the entertainment industry isn't untouched, with AI curating personalized recommendations on streaming platforms. AI is also the driving force behind autonomous vehicles, making self-driving cars a reality. From virtual assistants on our phones to smart home devices, AI is woven into the fabric of our everyday lives, making tasks simpler and more efficient. The impact of AI is far-reaching, touching virtually every aspect of our lives. From healthcare to transportation, AI is revolutionizing the way we live and work. AI is not just about machines, it's also about how these machines interact with us. At the core of this interaction, we find two key concepts: natural language processing and computer vision. Natural language processing, often abbreviated as NLP, is essentially how AI understands, interprets, and communicates in human language. It's the reason why you can ask your voice assistant to play your favorite song or send a text message for you. On the other hand, we have computer vision. This is the mechanism through which AI sees and makes sense of visual data. It's how your smartphone camera recognizes faces or how self-driving cars perceive and navigate their environment. In a nutshell, these two technologies, NLP and computer vision, are the eyes and ears of AI. They bridge the gap between human and machine, allowing for a more intuitive and interactive experience. These technologies enable machines to understand and interact with the world in more human-like ways. With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's crucial to take a moment and reflect on the ethical considerations that come with this technological marvel. Bias is one such challenge. How do we ensure that the AI systems we create are fair and unbiased when they reflect the data they're trained on? And if that data holds biases, the AI will too. Privacy is another major concern. With AI systems having access to vast amounts of personal data, how do we safeguard our privacy? How do we strike the right balance between leveraging AI for convenience and maintaining our privacy? These are complex issues that require thoughtful dialogue and action. As we continue to develop and deploy AI, we must ensure we do so responsibly. The ethical side of AI is not an afterthought but a fundamental part of the process. Looking ahead, the possibilities for AI are virtually limitless. As we journey forward, we see a horizon filled with technological wonders, each more awe-inspiring than the last. The future of AI is not just about developing smarter machines, but about creating systems that can understand, learn, predict, adapt, and potentially even function autonomously. A significant trend in the future of AI is the concept of explainable AI. As AI systems become more intricate and their decision-making processes more complex, the need for transparency grows. Explainable AI is all about creating systems that not only make decisions but can also explain their reasoning in a way that humans can understand. Another thrilling development lies in the realm of natural language understanding. While current AI systems can comprehend and respond to simple commands, future AI will grasp the nuances of human language, understanding context, sentiment, and even sarcasm. This advancement will lead to more natural and intuitive interactions with our AI companions. We can also anticipate AI to play a more significant role in predictive analysis, utilizing vast amounts of data to forecast future trends and events with unprecedented accuracy. This ability could revolutionize industries from finance to healthcare, providing insights that could help us make better informed, data-driven decisions. Moreover, we're on the brink of seeing AI systems that can learn and adapt without human intervention. These autonomous learning systems will be able to navigate new environments, solve unforeseen problems, and continuously improve themselves, marking a significant leap forward in AI capabilities. Advancements in AI also open doors to emerging technologies. Quantum computing, a field that leverages the principles of quantum mechanics, has the potential to exponentially increase processing power, enabling AI systems to solve complex problems far beyond current capabilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, we can expect to see even greater transformations in the years to come. The future of AI holds tremendous promise, and it's a journey we're all a part of. So let's keep exploring, innovating, and pushing the limits of our imaginations. As our journey through the world of AI comes to an end, it's clear to see that AI is more than just technology. We've discovered that it's a dynamic and transformative force, shaping our world in ways we could scarcely imagine. From defining the concept of AI to exploring its various forms, we've learned that it is the power behind groundbreaking advancements in diverse fields. We've delved into the intricacies of machine learning and deep learning, and seen how AI applications are revolutionizing industries and our daily lives. We've explored how AI interacts with us through natural language processing and computer vision, and we've contemplated the ethical considerations that come with this AI revolution. As we look to the future, we see emerging trends and technologies that promise to further reshape the landscape of AI. Remember, stay curious, stay informed, and keep exploring the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the unknown. This is Investigating the Universe, signing off.